Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to use the Intertwine function. So if I grab here something like this, I'm going to pump this to 16 or 20, and then I'm going to press V, hold Alt, and just duplicate this. And also something important is to actually, let's actually duplicate this, and now let's change its color. So now if we select both of these, we go to Object, Intertwine, and Make. Now we can select this portion, and now this portion is underneath this one compared to the other one, right? And I think that's very useful, because if you were to do this manually, it will take more time. But using this function can save you a lot of time. So now if I go here, Alt, grab like this, go in the corner and rotate. I'm trying to create something coherent, something that looks good. I think this is fine. Now I select everything, go to Object, Intertwine, and Release. And now Object, Intertwine, Make. And here I can go below or here if I want to. And then this down, this down, this up, down, up, down, up, and yeah. But yeah, this is a really nice feature. It's really helpful for Adobe Illustrator creator. Okay. So I really hope you found this helpful. If you have any additional questions, let me know in the comment section. Of course, questions related to Adobe Illustrator, because I'm going to create a tutorial for you answering to your question, even if it's a really short tutorial. So don't hesitate to leave your questions down below. And now I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.